Pits-Yellowstone, and I just wanted to say, these are the mud pits, and it stinks. Here they are. You can see the steam coming off of it. It's not, it stinks. Oh. The bubbling water, and that says mud cauldron. It smells like rotten eggs, and you're like, you can't smell it.
You think I watched that program? I wasn't kidding.
Danger. Oh, God.
Look out.
It says it says the surface area is incredibly thin, and the water is full of sulfur, and it changes daily.
And they measure it daily. Where's my 80? Oh, he's running up there.
It stinks.
That's why I told you to move.
It smells really bad. You can see the bubbling water. Oh, God, it smells so bad.
Well, you're going to get to the sulfur pit yet. You want to smell bad.
And pretty colors. And don't touch the bison warning. And stay on walkway.
Like I said, you don't have to tell me twice.
Bye.